Hello, girls and boys. How about making some pancakes? They can be made with different fillings, topped with honey, jam, syrup, sour cream, but in our family, we like to eat them with butter and sugar. We will need cooking method. 1. Mix flour, starch, sugar, salt. 2. Add eggs and vegetable oil. Mix. 3. Add warm milk in parts and mix. 4. Leave the dough for 10-15 minutes. 5. Bake pancakes in a well-heated and lightly greased frying pan. 6. Before baking each pancake, stir the dough. Seven. Place a piece of butter and 0.5 teaspoons of sugar on a hot pancake. Roll it up into a tube. Bon appetit!